Hi everyone. Last lecture you will see about definition of Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act 1955 and its rule 1956. In that definition you will see about definition of alcohol, dutable foods, a medicinal preparation, toilet preparation, bonded manufacturing, non-bonded manufacturing, denatured spirit, restricted preparations, unrestricted preparations, substandard preparation, and spirit store and finish stores. Then now today we will discuss about manufacturer of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol. What are the manufacturer which will be medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol? Manufacturer manufacture of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol is classified into manufacturer in bond and manufacturer outside bond. Now, medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol are manufactured under the condition of license granted by licensing authority as per the provision of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. For this purpose, applicant has to make a application in the prescribed form and has to fulfill all conditions made under this act and rule. On receipt of such application, the licensing authority shall inquire about first the qualification and experience of the teaching staff. It is very important that the receipt of such application, the licensing authority shall inquire about what are the qualification and experience of the teaching staff. Then second, equipments in the laboratory. What are the equipments will be present in the laboratory? In that equipment, will be listed the equipment which are the present in the laboratory. It will be inquired. Then last, the suitability of building for the establishment of laboratory. This an also important point, that is a suitable of a building facility available for establishment of laboratory. If the licensing authority is satisfied with the application of the applicant, it is may be issue is the license and approve the plan of building. Licensee has to be display the licensing in the prominent place open to the public. It is very important that licensee has to display the license in the prominent place open to the public. Licensee has to inform the licensing authority the actual need of alcohol so that the licensing authority will be fix the quantity of alcohol. A manufacturer can procure alcohol for distillery and warehouse of the state. The licensee has to be display the a prominent place in the open to the public. Licensee for the inform the licensing authority the actual need of alcohol so that licensing authority will be fix the quantity of the alcohol. The manufacturer can procure alcohol for distillery or warehouse of the state. Then procedure for obtaining license for manufacturer. What are the procedure? You will see the a license is the required for every person who desire to the manufacturer medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol or narcotic form. First, excise commissioner in case of manufacturer in bond, or the officer as the state government may authorize in the behalf of case of a manufacturer outside bond. First in a bond and second that is a outside bond. First, excise commissioner in case of manufacturer in bond or the officer as to state government may authorize in the behalf of in case of manufacturer outside bond. The application for grant of license should be provide the prescribed form together with the prescribed fee. A challan, tertiary challan, so as to be reach the licensing authority at least 2 months before proposed date a commencement in the manufacturer. Then, what are the particulars should be included of the manufacturer? We will see one by one in detail. First, the name and address of applicant. It is very important. The name and address of applicant. In case of a partnership firm, the name and address of every partner. And in case of a company, its registered name and address of the director's manager and managing agent. Then, second, name and address of the place and the site on which the bonded or non bonded laboratory in the suitable situated or the constructed. Uh, then, the amount of capital purpose to be invested. What are the capital and how amount will be required, it will be purpose to be invoiced. Then approximate date for from which the applicant desire to start the manufacturing if the required license is granted. Then the number and full description of what steels and other permanent apparatus and machinery which will be applicant wishes to be set up. Then the maximum quantity in ILP liters of the alcohol and alcoholic content in unfinished and finished preparation likely to be remain in the laboratory at one time. Then maximum quantity by the weight of opium, Indian hemp and other narcotics in unfinished and finished preparation like to be remain in the laboratory at one time. Then, in case of bonded laboratory, where or whether the purpose bond manufacturing will be required the service of the whole time or part-time officer. Then, a list of all proper proportion of alcohol, such a preparation containing alcohol. Then, the quantity of opium, Indian hemp, or a narcotic drug in term of weight in the preparation containing the substance. Then the kinds of number of a license held by the applicant and Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Then a site and evolution plan of manufacturer building showing location with the doors and the windows therein. Then, in case of firm, a true copy of the partnership deed. In case of company, the list of a director, managers, together with the copies of memorandum of association and articles of association. Then, on receipt of such applicant, the licensing authority makes up following requirement. First, the qualification and experience of teaching person, the equipment of the bonded and non-bonded laboratories, suitability of the proposed building for the establishment of laboratory. Then, after the satisfying that the applicant is eligible for the issue of licensing, the licensing authority shall issue the license and approve the plan of a building submit along with the applicant submitted by the applicant. After the constructing the building and the establishing the laboratory as per the approved plan. The planning authority shall verify the plans to certain whether the construction is and the approved plan or not. Then, in case of where the security is required to be the finished and the licensing furnished and the licensing authority shall be fix the amount of such security before the granting the license. The security shall be either in cash or in the invest bearing scrutinies like government permission notes and national savings certificate etc. It is for today's lecture. Next lecture we will see the remaining part of this act. Today you will discuss about the manufacturer of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol. In that you will be see the qualification and experience of the teaching staff, requirement for inquiry that is equipment in the laboratories, suitability of building for the establishment of laboratory. Then you will see the procedure for obtaining license for manufacturer. It is for today's lecture. Next lecture you will see the remaining part that is a bonded manufacturing or non-bonded manufacturing. Thank you.